everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to publish an event on Campus Connect. It's going to be very easy and intuitive for you as an event promoters who want to promote your event on our website. So let's start with how the account's going to look like on the homepage, right? So this is a homepage. To start with, you will go to the left side or navigation bar and we can see events, right? The buttons here. So you will click this. So for people who want to promote events, your accounts need to be an author account, right? So if you want to promote your event, please reach out to us so that we can make your account to be the author type. So then when you click the events, this event calendar dashboard will appear for you, right? And then you can start adding new events to our calendar. Okay, so just a little bit of introduction. This is the event calendar, and you can click add new event right here to add your event. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see we have a calendar that you can search for event. Right here, we also have a search bar that categorize in location, category, or you can find event with keywords. Okay, and then we have some events are already features on our website, looking very cute and pretty. Okay, so how can you make your events look like that, right? Okay, first I'm gonna click add new event right here. So after you click it, it will take you to a page where you can start typing the information of your event. I will create an event saying Happy Lunar New Year. Okay, this is a test event I wanna use to guidelines you guys. And I want this event to start from 29 to maybe the 31st. And then maybe on this one day. Yeah, the 31st, the 30 to the 31st. And then I wanna put it from 12 a.m. to around like 1 a.m. And then location, I want to do it in the AB lobby. If your event is a referral event, you can click this and do more information, checking. If not, then yeah, if it's an online event, you can also put this in online event. And then after all information are filled, I will click create event. So after I click created event, you will have some more part that we want to fill out, right? So first, basic information. We already have a title. Now I want to add an image, to make it interesting for people to look at. You can upload from your computer, or if you already uploaded something to the media library, you can also click media library, as I'm doing now, because I already put an image here. And then I will put this on. Under the image, I want to have a paragraph. So I will click add paragraph, and then I will copy and paste the information I have already prepared here to put into this paragraph. Good. Okay, keep in mind the information is not correct, but never mind. This is just an, test one. And then check the time, the end time, time zone. Oh, and add an excerpt is, a brief summary of the content you want to provide. So it's gonna look like this. Gonna look like this, like the little line here to describe what your event is about. I want to also add it for my event, just, some sneak peek content. And then I could copy this line and I add it here. Okay. And yeah, for category, you can choose from all the category that's already listed here. If you feel like those category doesn't match with your events department or the category you want, you can add a new one and fill out the all necessary information that you want. You can also choose a parent category for it if it falls into like some already existed tech category, and you add new one. For now, I don't want to add any new category. I will just choose randomly from this one. And then I want to also do the same thing with the tags, right? I can choose social here because it matches with it, or I can create new tag if I want to. For now, I don't. Okay. And yeah, it's looking good for now. And then next, if you have speaker or organizers information you want to set up, you can click this one. I don't really have that many information for my event, so I'm going to skip that. or schedule. I don't really have that, but this ticket and pricings, we introduce this for you to use as an RSVP function. You can add new ticket and you can use it as a place repo to RSVP for your event. And you don't have to have a price. You can keep it as 0 or don't type anything. I will, the number of tickets, I want to have 30 people maximum in my event. And people can start RSVPing from today till the 29 maybe, or maybe the 30. And then the time to register, right? It can be, start time and time depend on how you want to manage it. And minimum quantity is the minimum of ticket a person can, register for. And maximum is, the maximum of ticket a person can register for. So for mine, I want to keep it 1, just make it simple. And then next we have branding. I recommend everyone to have an event banner set up for your event, because if you scroll down, you can see these are how the banner gonna look like. And this event doesn't have a banner. So yeah, you can already see like the difference, right? It makes the event look so much more lively and interesting. So I will also put a banner for my event. And yeah, logo, it's really depend on if you want a logo. For me, if logo is, something extra, I don't really need it. So I will leave it like that. And then you can change the color of the background or text. Yeah, or add social links if you want. Okay. Template setup. I choose template 2. I recommend everyone to choose template 2 or 3 because they work better than template 1. Template 1 sometimes have, little bugs, but yeah, it's totally fine. Okay, so I have put a tickets here. So I want to create a events ticket for people, and you can just choose, ticket template already created for you, so that you can scan the tickets of, participants later. Okay, and these are extra field that you can explore for my event. I don't need a Q&A. I don't really need an extra field, so I want to leave it like that for now, but feel free to explore once you're already on the website. Okay, for setting, we have some integration, RSVP, or some additional page. Those are all extra fields you can use or not. And it's not really like, make a lot of changes to your event actually. But yeah, we also have the RSVP function here, but right now, if you use this one, you cannot actually see the attendee list. While if you use tickets, you can see the attendee list. We are fixing that issue so that you can actually use RSVP if you want. But for now, you can use tickets as an RSVP function for your event. Okay, and yeah, if you have actual tickets that you want to sell, totally fine. You can put a price here, but we don't support paying directly on the website. So you will actually have to contact your participant and do the purchase by yourself. Okay, so once everything looking good for now, I want to save changes that I have made. Remember to do this, okay? Or else changes you made will not be saved. And then before publishing my event, I want to preview to see how it's gonna look like. And yeah, this is how the event page gonna look like. And you can see that it also have a countdown here, the location, the time. Yeah, and then are the tickets here where other people can get tickets if they feel like. And then the people can also add the event to their calendar. Very cute. Okay, so this is how the event page gonna look like. I think it's look pretty for now. I'm gonna publish my event. So once you click publish event successfully, you can also copy the event link so that you can share it to groups chat, to anyone you want to promote the event to. And then after we publish it, I will refresh this page. Okay, very good. So if I scroll down to the calendar, you can already see, oh, it's already here, right? So you can see there's an event on the 30th, so that we can see a background like light blue color here, indicating there's an event on this day, right? So if I click this, I can see my events here and it's free. Okay, so if we scroll down a little bit, we can already see the event is featured with among all other events. And people can click here, attend, and it will take them to this page. Okay, very easy, right? And how can you manage your event? So after you're done, you can click this button, events again, and it will take you back to the dashboard, right? And then you can already see your event created here. And from this page, you can take action, edit it, right? You can edit information. You can also scan people ticket. If there's anyone, register for the event, you can scan that ticket and, they're already checked in with the event. But right now we don't have anyone registered yet. So if you click this, nothing gonna happen. Okay, and then more action you can take is to check the attendee list. So if you click attendee list, it will take you to this page where you have the whole list of people who, attending. But right now, we don't have any participants yet, right? But you can see we can have like ID, attendee ID, name, event, and ticket status and action you can do on this person. You can also export the information to, different type of formats or import information if you have the correct, type file here to import your information if you get information from outside our Campus Connect website. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you guys how to do is how to assign an event to a group to help, promote your events better. So if you go to groups here, you can see that a lot of DKU club is already assigned for groups here. And if you create an event and you want to promote it to a specific group or to, to the DKU student community here, you can assign the event to a group. And I will show you how to do that. You will go to your profile. After you're here in your profile page, you will see an event section and I will click this one. So in this event section, you can assign the created event to a select group. And here you can only do this to the groups that you're already in. So remember to join that group first. And I have 4 groups here to select, and I want to select the Courtyard 1 group to assign this event to, and as a test. Okay, after it's done, I will click assign, and there will be a bar saying, okay, it's successfully assigned. So I will click OK. And to check that, I will go back to the group and search for that specific group, or I can go directly from here. Yeah, so you can see a post has already created for us about our event. It said Tessa has already assigned an event to the group Courtyard 1. And people can like or comment on this post, and if they click here, it will take them directly to that event page. So this is one way to help you promote your event right on the website. And we hope that this will help you have a better experience as marketing, promoting for your events, and get more people to your events. Also, give us any feedback or suggestions while you guys testing out this function on the website. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next videos.